A very warm good morning to all of you. Respected trustees of St. Mary's Charitable and Educational Trust, administrative committee members, my dear parents, principal, teachers, non-teaching staff, my dear students, well-wishers, and especially newly elected CPS cabinet team. With my pleasant privilege, I am proudly presenting before you the new team of Cabinet of Christ Public School, Basavanagar, today in this morning. This is the ceremony of investiture. This is coming from the Latin word investiture. That means you are going to put on new robe. You are going to wear a new robe. The robe of the responsibility of the cabinet team of CPS. That means you are going to take up the great responsibility in our school. You are going to be a newly elected cabinet team of academic year 2020-21. As we know, we had 4 rounds to elect a cabinet team of 2020-21. And let me tell you, now this is the leadership, but at the same time, this is giving you a great responsibility of leadership. Now, with this ceremony, you are going to put on the robe of honesty, the robe of leadership, the robe of getting the cooperation from the different students community, and the robe of connectivity, the robe of your showing your talents, the robe of your commitment, the robe of your studious nature, and robe of coming to the success. So this is the day you are going to have all this quality, and with the permission of your parents, the parents of CPS, and trustees and administrative committee members, principal, staff and students and non-teaching staff, let me once again congratulate you, and I entrust you the new responsibility for this academic year to be the team of cabinet members. May God bless you all the times to lead the student community in a wonderful way. Congratulations and best wishes to the new cabinet team.
A very warm greetings to all. Leadership is a capacity to translate vision into reality. We, Christ Public School, believe that the child-centric approach will frame responsible citizens, the ability to be the future leaders of the world. On this occasion, I would like to congratulate the outgoing cabinet members for being a wonderful leaders and their hard work for the all-round development of the school. I wish you all every success and pray that you will continue to focus on doing good works and make a positive difference in the lives of people around you. And also, I appreciate the parents for taking time to be there for your children, to watch them take baby steps towards effective leadership. I also congratulate the newly elected young leaders for the academic year 2020-21. Thank you.
I, Father Dr. Davis Panadan CMI, Director, Christ Public School, Baswanagar, hereby bestow the power to the head boy of the school, Master Jeevan Skaria Matthew, and head girl of the school, Miss Nora Maria George, for the year 2020-21.
I, Midhu John, the Principal, Christ Public School, Baswanagar, hereby bestow the power to the cultural secretaries of the school for the academic year 2020-21, Ms. Isabella Samantha Jekaran and Ms. Saira Wilson.
I, Davis KK, Secretary to St. Mary's Charitable and Educational Trust, Basavanagar, Kakadasapura, hereby bestow the power of the sports captain of the school to Master Himank Sai P and sports vice captain Master Adon M. George for the year 2020-21.
I promise that I will respect and abide by the rules and regulations of Christ Public School in the true spirit for the glory of my school. I will uphold, promote and support the goals and objectives of Christ Public School and to help my fellow mates to be the light of the world.
I, Jeevanskaria Matthew, promise that.
I, Nora Maria George, promise that.
I, Isabella Samantha J. Karen, promise that.
I, Sarah Wilson, promise that.
I, Himank Saipi, sports captain, promise that.
I, Adon M. George, promise that.
I will respect and abide by the rules and regulations
of Christ Public School in the true spirit
for the glory of my school.
I will uphold, promote and support
the goals and objectives of Christ Public School
to be and to help my fellow mates
to be the light of the world.
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 Dear Christites, a warm greeting to all. I would like to express my emotions and gratitude to entire Christites for the opportunity I have received to be the head boy of CPS. Your great support, which gives me the confidence to be able to discharge my duties and responsibilities as a head boy of this prestigious school. A team is like a toolkit, but not only one tool can do all the jobs, but together it can. So let's join our hands and work with team spirit in day-to-day activities of our school. At this moment, I am filled with enthusiasm to begin this new fantastic journey of my life and it will be successful only with your valuable support and God's blessings. Let's take our school to greater heights of success. Thank you.
Good morning all. It's me, Nora Mary, Judge of Grade 4. I'm extremely proud and elated as you have chosen me as your head girl. Thank you for giving me this amazing opportunity to serve you. I believe that best friends make good times better and hard times easier. I promise you that I'll be your faithful friend and I'll always stand by you throughout this journey. I will make every possible effort to enable you realize your dreams. Let's work hand in hand to make CPS a great place. Once again, I would like to express my gratitude for making me your choice. Thank you and have a great day.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear Christites. Thank you all for voting for me. I am very happy that you chose me as your cultural secretary. I will give my best, and with your help and the help of our teachers and principal ma'am, we will make this year very exciting. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sarah Wilson and I'm honored to stand here as your cultural secretary for this year 2020. I would like to thank my friends for giving your precious words for me. I would also like to thank my school, especially our director, Father Davies, principal ma'am, teachers and trustee members for providing me with this opportunity. I promise that I will obey all the rules and regulations of Christ Public School and will be a good supporter, a good friend and a good helping hand to all of you. So let's together be the light of the world. Thank you.
Good morning, all. It is an honor and privilege to have been selected as the sports captain this year. Words are not sufficient to express the gratitude I feel. I thank one and all for their confidence in my abilities. I pledge to set high standards and be a leader par excellence. I promise that we will put our 100% to strive and bring fame to our beloved CPS. Thank you.
Hi everyone, good morning. As a sports captain of this year, I feel privileged and honored in holding this post that has been bestowed upon me by a prestigious institution. I feel very thankful to our director, Rev. Father Dr. Davis Pannadan CMI, our principal Ms. Midhu John, and my teachers for their confidence and trust shown upon me. I thank my friends for their love and support. I promise to fulfill my duties to the best of my ability. I will prove to be the right person for this post and will work hard at more sincerity for the same. Thank you.
Hi everyone, hope all are safe at home. Myself Joby Joseph, father of Mr. Joel Joby, head boy 2019-20 of Christ Public School. I am so happy to say that my son was a part of Christ Public School cabinet. CPS had given a wonderful opportunities to my son as a head boy and he has done well. My sincere thanks to Christ Public School. I am so proud that Christ Public School teachers molded him in such a way to perform his role. Once again, thanks to all CPS team members. Thank you so much.
Necessity, it is said, is the mother of all inventions. Testing times, lockdown and a pandemic have proven it once again to us. Grappling issues like active engagement, overall child development has brought to fore the innovation and creativity in everyone at CPS. What best could be an example other than organizing an Independence Day celebration, canvassing and election for the cabinet members virtually. It gives me immense pleasure and confidence to think that my ward is in capable and nurturing hands of a visionary director, an able principal, driven teachers, and an immensely motivated management. I heartfully thank the team of CPS, and I wish them all the best for their future endeavors. Thank you.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन